Hi, I'm meteorologist Lisa Spencer. Wintertime precipitation. There's a lot of different kinds. It's all beautiful, but it also can be quite dangerous. Let's take a look at it. First off, a map that has just about everything on it, from a cold rain to sleet and freezing rain to snow here in this white and blue shaded color. But how do we get the different types of precipitation? Temperature is key. From snow to sleet to freezing rain to just plain rain falling from the sky. So let's break it down for you, give you an idea how one forms and another forms. Let's start first off with just plain rain. In the wintertime, way up here in these clouds, it is snowing. But if the temperature is above freezing as that snow falls, it melts and it falls as just plain rain. We all know what that looks like. But what about snow? Well, snow's easy too. It's cold up in the top of the clouds, the snow forms, and then these six-sided ice crystals fall all the way to the ground
when the air is 32 degrees or below. Snow is beautiful falling.
The other two types of winter precipitation are very different. Here's another, freezing rain. This is a tricky one for a lot of folks. It starts out as snow up in the top of those clouds, and then we get a wide layer of above freezing temperatures that's 32 degrees or above. So those snowflakes will melt and start to fall as rain. And then when they make contact with the ground below, that's when they freeze.
Freezing rain forms a coating of ice on trees and power lines. The weight of the ice can cause tree limbs to break and power lines to sag. That results in power outages. When the ice freezes on roads, it causes black ice.
Black ice is basically freezing rain. It freezes on contact. It's transparent, so really all you can see is the black that we see there on the pavement. So we gave it that name, black ice. It's very hard to see. It causes slick conditions, especially on bridges and overpasses, so you have to be very, very careful with black ice. Now the last of the series of wintertime precipitations, and that is going to be sleet. Starts out as snow, falls into a layer of above freezing air, 32 or above, so it's going to melt. But the colder layer of air reaches high enough in the air
that the water droplet refreezes and forms the ice pellets known as sleet. Sleet typically bounces as it hits a solid surface, like a car windshield. Sleet can be dangerous, quickly coating the surface of roads and making driving hazardous. Now you know the difference between snow, freezing rain, and sleet. For more weather and science videos, subscribe to the Lisa Spencer YouTube channel.